Stop scrolling. This is the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, and it's finally here. For decades, the Prado badge has meant one thing: indestructible, unstoppable, king of the off-road. But there are two massive questions surrounding this complete reinvention that everyone is asking, and that we are going to answer right now. First, look at this design. Is the new retro box body a brilliant return to form, or is it just Toyota jumping on the G-Wagon bandwagon? And more importantly, they killed the V8. They even ditched the big V6. In its place is a turbocharged hybrid 4-cylinder. Is this new powertrain a genius move that makes it future-proof, or did Toyota just commit a crime against Land Cruiser tradition? Let's find out if the legend is truly back, or if it's just a well-styled myth. Alright, let's start with the elephant in the room: the look. Toyota has moved away from the curvy, softer lines of the previous generation and gone full-on retro rugged. It's built on the TNGF body-on-frame platform, shared with the Tundra and the mighty Land Cruiser 300, which instantly tells you this is serious business. The designers have channeled the spirit of the old FJ40 and the J60. You get that flat hood, the squared-off fenders, and two different headlight options depending on your trim: the cool, classic round lights or the angular, modern units. It has massive presence. This is an SUV that looks like it's ready to conquer a mountain pass, not just the school run. Pop the hood, and you'll find the heart of the controversy: the iForce Max hybrid system. We're talking a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder paired with an electric motor. The total output is a very healthy 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. Now, I know what you're thinking: only a 4-cylinder. But here's the reality. That electric motor delivers instant torque, 465 lb-ft, at just 1,700 revolutions per minute. That's more torque than the old V8, and it comes on a lot faster. On the road, this feels snappy. The 8-speed automatic is seamless. You feel the immediate push of that hybrid system, making urban driving and highway overtakes a breeze. But the real win is the efficiency. EPA ratings hit 23 miles per gallon combined. If you're using this for long-distance overlanding or towing a 6,000-pound load, that improved range is a game-changer. Is it a V8? No. Is it better for 99% of your driving, towing, and wallet? Absolutely. Step inside, and Toyota has walked the perfect tightrope between old-school utility and modern luxury. You are instantly met with superb visibility thanks to that low beltline and squared-off windows. It truly feels like a captain's chair. Let's talk tech. You get a massive 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system standard on the higher trims, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Toyota's latest software is fast, crisp, and easy to use. But the most refreshing thing? Toyota kept the physical buttons. The controls for the climate, the drive modes, and the off-road features are all chunky, tactile, and right where your hand expects them to be. This is critical when you're bouncing along a dirt track and can't afford to look away. Comfort is high. The seats are excellent, purpose-built for long drives. And little details like the optional cool box in the center console and the generous storage show that Toyota understands the people buying this are actually going to use it. Now for the family and adventure aspect. The second row is spacious, offering great legroom, even if the seats don't slide. But here is a practical design feature I love: the split tailgate. You can just pop the glass up to quickly toss your bags in, or swing the whole rear door open for big items. Cargo space is excellent, hitting nearly 39 cubic feet behind the second row. That's enough for all your camping gear, recovery equipment, and luggage. You'll also appreciate the in-cabin 220-volt power outlet, perfect for charging tools or a portable fridge on the go. And while some markets offer a third row, this new Prado is squarely focused on being a rugged, two-row adventure machine, maximizing the space where you need it most: the trunk and the trail. Okay, time for the true test. This is where the Prado earns its reputation. The full-time 4WD system is standard, featuring a locking center differential and a low-range transfer case. But the real magic is in the tech. You get crawl control, which is like off-road cruise control, and the multi-terrain select MTS system. This dial gives you modes like mud, sand, and rock, automatically optimizing throttle, braking, and traction control. It makes a novice look like an expert.